So, guys, last week we were buying this above 1.34357, but what happened due to the war? We had an opening down, and since then, guys, we went on to hit both of our bearish targets, and since then, the price has been coming back up. So, guys, we will be doing a weekly analysis. So, let's get back to the weekly time frame. We are still kind of bullish, guys, but with this big wick we made last week, we made kind of a low, but it's a much bigger wick. So I'll move on to the lower time frame. So on the daily chart, guys, what are we doing? On the daily chart, guys, we are obviously still bearish as long as the price, I guess, stays below the swing high, which is 1.355853. But once we go down to the 4H, guys, we are bullish on the 4H. So first of all, I'm going to take some pictures for the AI. So what I'm going to do is take the pictures. So first of all, let's hide these drawings. A picture, a pic for the 4H. Now a pic of the daily. We don't need the 1H because we are doing a weekly analysis. So there's this. We've done this. This is our Euro USD analysis. Let's remove this. Add the screenshots. This is move to 1D 4H. For the daily, I use the 1H plus the 4H. Okay, deep consensus. Execute. So I'm going to do my own analysis, guys. Meanwhile, so guys, according to the 4H, we are slightly bullish. So I'm going to stick with this bullishness right here and remove these drawings. So, and my first target, guys, would be 1.3534502, and guys, my next target would be 1.35769. We need to understand, guys, why we are kind of bullish on the 4H, but in the overall trend, guys, we are still bearish. So we have to keep that in mind, guys. And if we break below 1.33085, guys, I think we will be gunning for 1.31952, which would be a very easy continuation in the bearish trend. So let's see what the AI has said. It's working. Let's pause the video. So guys, the analysis is complete. Master consensus. It's bullish as well. The reason being verified pivot zone 1.3400, 1.3415. Market structure conditionally bullish. The plan is to follow the recent 4H bullish structure break of structure, but only if it can hold above the major daily resistance it is currently testing. Okay. This analysis is a weekly outlook, the formulated on Sunday, March 8 in a low volume environment. The plan is designed to capture the week's primary directional move once volume enters during the London and New York sessions. MTF, this setup is a classic conflict between a bearish daily trend and a bullish 4H trend. The trader is aligning with the 4H momentum but has defined a clear invalidation point based on the daily structure, creating a conditional and multi-time frame plan. Okay, the macro fundamentals, the asset is pound USD, the fundamental backdrop is strongly USD negative following a weak US jobs report from previous Friday, which aligns with technical strength of the recent 4H bullish impulse, while rising oil prices create some risk of potential. The most direct and confirmed macro data supports a weaker dollar, providing fuel for a pound USD rally. So basically, what the AI does once it's chosen a target, so it's going to justify it with the macro fundamentals. because this AI has just been traded on technical trades. Technical. It hasn't been trained on fundamentals, so it's not that good at fundamentals itself. So because I myself I don't use fundamentals, so unless we are position trading or investing, we don't use fundamentals. So anyways, guys, its support area is 1.3400, which is kind of like okay, okay. So it's you basically using this support area. It's ignoring these wicks. It's going for this support. I can agree with that. So its target one is 1.3456. See, oh, sorry. It's actually using 3400 as support. Okay, let's see. Okay, so basically what the AI is saying, let's get back this here. So basically what the AI is saying, a major historical support resistance on the daily chart. This is the primary objective of the base structure and validation zone. The bottom of the key pivot, a key break and close above this level would validate the bullish thesis and the below and the continuation of the daily base trend. So basically it's turned this resistance area into support, and it says as long as we are above this, we are bullish, and if we break below this, we become bearish, and if we break below this, it's going directly for 1.3255, which is located here. So it is kind of majorly slightly bullish as long as we're able to stay above this area. Meanwhile, I'm as bullish as long as we're above 1.33085. So let's see what happens. So the AI is using this area as support. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys next week. Also, I forgot I need to enter these prices for swing trading. Count long enter area. You know what? On this, let's go with the AI 3400, and we will be using the 50 sensitivity because we're on a higher time frame. We are swing trading, and guys, my target is 1.3456. 3456, and guys, my next target is 3495. 3495. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks something like this. So I've totally set this straight up according to the AI. So let's see what happens. So take care, guys, and see you guys next week.